Now everyone knows that if you want to insert any row anywhere in Google Sheet, just go to insert and insert one row above or one row below, and it insert a blank or empty row. But what if you want to, insert multiple blank rows or multiple empty rows? So here is how you can do it very easily, very quickly. So let's say you want to insert 3 blank rows. So what you can do, you can just select 3 rows, okay, and then just click on insert and go to rows, and now it gives you an option of insert 3 rows above and 3 rows below. Okay, so whatever be the number of rows you want to insert, select those much amount of rows and you will get this. Okay, now what if you want to insert one blank row here, one blank row here, one blank row here? So how you can do it? So let's say you want to insert the first blank row here, then just select it, click on insert and insert one row above. Okay, now the second row you want to insert above this. So what you can do, you can just select this, okay, so that this rows get selected, and then press Ctrl Y from your keyboard in Windows computer. And if you are on a MacBook, press Command Y, and it will just redo the last action. Now let's say you want to insert above this, so just select it and press Ctrl Y, and a blank row will be inserted here. So in this way you can insert multiple blank rows. So that's it guys. Please do like the video. Hope you like the trick. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.